Ito ang Ashoka movie. Dito nagsimula ang Ashoka makeup trend. Ang Ashoka ay isang historical drama tungkol sa Indian emperor na si Emperor Ashoka. It's just a more dramatized version. Sa simula, prinsipe pa lang si Ashoka at nakaaway niya ang kanyang stepbrother. At sabi ng ina niya na dapat mag-escape si Ashoka to stay alive. Tas na-meet niya isang prinsesa mula sa Kalinga Kingdom, si Kerwaki. So yung makeup at style niya na parang tribal, ayan yung Ashoka makeup. So this is Ashoka makeup at ito rin yung ginawa ni Lenny recently ay Ashoka makeup na related at accurate sa movie. At yung music na Sansa Nana na ay actually mula sa pelikula at ayan si Kerwaki na sumasayaw sa nature. So yung ginawa ni Lenny sa version 2 dun sa start was perfect, was amazing kasi 'di ba may nature element doon. Anyways, back to the movie. Yung pelikula ay tungkol sa transformation ni Ashoka mula prinsipe na warrior to a great emperor. And the challenges and obstacles that he had to overcome. At kung paano in-embrace niya ang Buddhism at tinalikuran ang buhay na violente at away. He wanted peace.